Hello guys, how are you? Appium, Android, iOS, mobile automation part 4. This video I will be show you how to install the Maven and set up the Maven home too. So for further requirement, if you need code related about automation, please feel free to find the code here, GitHub, which is github.com future activation. Link is provided here. Also subscribe future activation, who is YouTube future activation channel. Feel free to click. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to install Maven step by step and also Maven home setup. Please follow me what I'm doing. So we have document already created, which is have how to install latest version of Maven. Go to Maven Apache or downloads. Go to this link, and I will provide this link in your YouTube video comment section. Just collect from there. So go here and have my binary achieve, which is you can take zip folder, also whatever you like. I like Apache Maven. I can take the what is the zip, and it's downloading. Double click it, and Apache Maven here. So if you go to my document, I provide here what I'm saying here. I said extract the zip file, create a folder document. What is the folder name? Maven. So we're gonna create a folder in the document, and folder name will be give the Maven. So if you go here, we're gonna go to our documents and create a new folder, which is Maven. Okay, and in our download section we have a Apache. Drop it in application, in documents, and inside the Maven. So inside the Maven have Apache Maven. So we are done here. I'm going to close here. What is the next? So save your extract file in the Maven folder. And how to set up a Maven home. Maven is not Java. You don't have to click and install it. Maven already we download. Now we have to set up a path. We have to show our environment that where actually Maven exists. So what we have to do? How to set a Maven home? Open a terminal. I'm gonna open terminal, and I'm gonna say, so bash file I have to open. So I'm gonna say over here. So we already have the bash folder over here. So now if I say insert mode is open, now I'm going to go to the second line. So what my document said? My document said add this command. What is this? Export m2 home equal your Maven path. So now we have to find our Maven path. So you have to go here and your document, and in the Maven, and this is, so you have to right click and you can say get info, and your path is exist here. So if or what you can do, easy way, you can copy this, or just this Maven drop in here. So when you drop, Maven will be there, just they copy the path. So we see already path is here. So we are done. So there is a one path you have to provide here. If you go add this command, notice this export path equal m2 bin. So why bin? I'm going to telling you. So bin. So if you go again, if you go your the question was why is the bin? If you go here, if you go Maven and Apache Maven, there is a bin. If you open the bin, actually Maven is exists there. That's why we have to say export path which is $path equal m2 home, the bin, whatever we giving path, this is this. Now, and then 7 quit and close terminal, and Maven version will be exist. So now what will be there? We're gonna skip clone wq explanation for save. It's saved. Now I'm gonna close it and quit from here, right click and quit. Okay, now open again and see Maven version. So I'm gonna say mbn minus v should be show. Okay, minus version. Why is not showing Maven version? I have to quit it. mbn Maven vn on version. So guys, if you want to see Maven version, write down mbn underscore minus version. So you will see what is the Java home we set up, sorry, Maven home we set up, this returning. So now we already have set up and downloading Maven and set up the Maven home. Again guys, use the Vim to write down actual example Vim vim dot bash underscore profile. So this will be give you writing scope to buying writing scope inside the bash profile, and when you write down that skip button and clone and wq and explanation, it will be save your profile. So it's saved. So now save, and if you want anytime see the Maven version, just write down over here Maven version, you will see the Maven version is available. If you want to the Java version, just write down here Java version. So example, if I say Java version, you will see Java version. So that's it for today. Today you learn how to install and install Maven in the Mac and set up Maven home to variable in bash profile, and we saw how to return this one and how is Vim Vim and insert work for command line. That's it for today guys. If you like my video, please feel free to comment in the future edition channel, and if you have any question, I will be answer it. If you have existing Maven, so just see when you write down Maven version, it should show the Maven version, but maybe don't return the Maven home. The set Maven return home from the second level. Example, Vim dot bash profile, and then add the where your Maven exists. So thank you so much. My next video will be regarding about automation, how to write down the fast script. Next video will be Appium, how to install the Appium. Please keep tuning and follow all the video. Hopefully end of the course you will be mobile testing expert about it. Thank you so much.